see the overall trend for the market is positive, but we are seeing very specific actions in the stocks. A few of the stocks have been drastically outperforming in today's trade. If you look at the PSU banking space, the entire space is strongly positive. So within the PSU banking space, I think Bank of India, there is a possibility of it to continue the upside momentum, and any dips from here should be utilized as a buying opportunity. One can keep a stop loss of 124 for the target of 141 on the upside. The next call on the buy side is Tata Global. Tata Global was underperforming about a month back, but recently, just a few days back, it has given a very strong breakout on the upside, and that it has the pattern target on the upside comes to around 155 levels. So we can now expect any dips to be used as a buying opportunity even in Tata Global, keeping a stop loss of 136 for the target of 154 on upside. And if that level is taken out, then further higher levels towards 170 can be expected, because that will be the weekly high as well as the monthly high. The next call is on the sell side is Jet Airways. We can clearly see that Jet Airways has been a major laggard, and even recently the pullback on the upside only found resistance near the upper trend line, and prices have reversed from there. So the pullback was probably wave X, and we are again starting wave A on the downside, and price can move towards the channel support, which is at the level of 353. So one can short Jet Airways, keeping a stop loss of 404 for the target of 353.
Manish, what about your stock calls?
The trend of the stocks that are positive and has been an outperformance, I think it's better to be with those stocks or sectors. And the first pick is going to be from the oil and gas space, which is HPCL. We can clearly see that oil marketing companies has been the darling over past 2 years, and the way these stocks have been rallying, even now currently the HPCL has continued to rush higher, irrespective of what is happening with the overall index or the broader market. So the trend has been strong, and it is probably traveling in the form of third wave, which is the strongest wave, and I think there is much more levels to cover in this stock. So he can probably create long positions in HPCL and expecting a target of around 700 on the upside. And any dips from here should be utilized as a buying opportunity as long as the level of 460 is protected. So that's one. Second stock I would recommend is going to be IndusInd Bank. Within the private sector banking space, IndusInd has been a strong outperformer. If you do a ratio analysis of IndusInd versus ICICI Bank or versus Axis Bank, the ratio line has been constantly moving higher, which shows that IndusInd has been outperforming the overall other private banking space as well. So one can create long position in this stock, and any dips again should be utilized as a buying opportunity as long as 1050 level is protected on the downside, and the stock can be expected to move towards the level of 1600 or 1700 over the period of 1 to 2 years.
Okay, and we'll leave it at that. Talk earnings. Ajay Bichli, CMD at PVR, joins in to talk about how their quarter